Don't tell me that you understand it. Don't tell me that I'm too demanding. I need you to show me you're taking this too slowly. Don't tell me that you're what I need, no. I believe that when I see so. Time for you to show me. Hush your lips, stop your
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine, and today I am working on the Freightliner Classic XL. It is very hot outside, but today I was installing my hood springs, and I wanted to show you guys how simple it is. So of course I am on top. I am actually sitting on the what is this, the coolant reservoir? Yeah. Yes, so I'm sitting on the coolant reservoir, and this is what happened to my old hood springs. They broke off, so I ended up going to a salvage yard. As you can see, this is where it broke off of, so on both sides. So I went to a salvage yard and I bought two more. Let me turn the camera around so I can show you guys what I'm doing. So this is what broke off. So I purchased another one from a salvage yard, and the hood springs, it's like a little, this is how it hooks to the hood. You can buy this whole piece. I actually bought the whole piece, but instead of taking the whole part off, I just bought what broke off, which is these end pieces. So what I'm gonna be doing, I hit this both boats with some WD-40. This is like the magic grease for boats for any vehicle. So I hit that with some WD-40, and what's gonna happen is those springs hook to, I'm sitting really on the radiator right now. You have a top bolt right here, and then you have a bottom bolt right there. This is how it hooks onto there. So it's gonna loop. You have a nut and a washer. I took it off. I believe I used it could have been a 10, but if you have a tool set, so you find the right wrench to fit that, and you take it off, and then you're gonna hook this to that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and then I'll be finished. So I'll just unscrew that bolt, hook this side to there, hook the other side on this side to here, which I'm gonna be needing Jason's help. What he's gonna do is, you're gonna probably need two people to do this job, because he's gonna have to lift the hood forward towards me while I clamp this onto that bolt and screw it down. Then that's pretty much how you install the hood springs. If you need the whole mount, then of course you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that have to come out, and then you have to install that. But since I don't need that, I'm just gonna install this clip, and it's gonna be an easy fix. So if you're thinking about installing your hood springs, this is how easy it is. But you're gonna need two people or a whole lot of muscle. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so you guys, I have both straps now connected to the springs. All I'm doing is taking a 9/6 wrench and a, what is this, a 15mm socket. I'm putting this behind the bolt so that it can give me, it won't move while I use this ratchet to tighten the bolt. Are you showing me tightening the bolt?
Yeah.
Okay. Because it's coming.
Man, don't question the camera, man. Just do the job.
So I tightened the bolt. It don't have to be that tight. And then what I did was I left the bottom bolt right here that I showed you guys earlier. I left it loose so that this can have more flexibility so that I can put it on there. So now I'm gonna take this wrench and I'm gonna have Jason pull the hood up just a little bit so that this strap, there's a strap right here, it's gonna release the pressure. So pull the hood, use your hand and pull the hood towards you so that I can get this ratchet to this bolt.
And this is a two-man job. You ain't gonna do it by yourself.
Yeah,
that hood ain't no joke. It's heavy.
You do this by yourself unless you're stubborn and you're gonna hurt yourself, because I tried like clamping and pulling this and doing it. No, go get somebody to help you. It's very simple, very easy to do. You just need one person to push the hood. Now you can slowly release the hood. There's some safety stuff, and this is very easy how you install your hood springs. Now I'm gonna remove all of my tools, all of my garbage, and I'm gonna climb down safely. You wanna make sure you have on safety gloves and make sure you get all of your tools. If you guys notice, I want you to notice this. When you're up here on the hood, when you bring your tools up here, it's best to have a bag, something to hold your tools so that you can easily get to it. So you can, when it's time to go, you can throw your tools in that bag and you can climb down without, the best thing to do is to stay hands-free at all times. So you can always hold on to something while you are moving on this hood. All right.
We're making all kinds of process.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to comment below and ask more questions. So peace, love, and deuces.